In this video, I'll show you how to get your money back from Western Union if a transfer was sent by mistake or the recipient hasn't picked it up yet. If the money hasn't been collected yet, the sender can request a refund directly through Western Union. Go to westernunion.com and log into your account. Go to My Transactions, find the transfer, and click Request Refund. Follow the steps. Approval is usually quick if the recipient hasn't claimed the funds. If the money was already picked up or you're having trouble getting a refund, contact Western Union customer service right away. Keep in mind, refunds can take 3 to 10 business days to process, depending on how the payment was made. Always double-check recipient details before sending money. Once it's claimed, getting it back becomes very difficult. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more guides on money transfers, scams, and how to protect your cash online.